Have you ever wondered how professional producers create those lush, expansive soundscapes that instantly transport you to another world? Today, we're diving into the captivating realm of ambient sound layering. This technique might be the secret ingredient you've been searching for to elevate your tracks from mundane to mesmerizing. Whether you're crafting a calm meditation piece or an epic film score, understanding how to layer ambient sounds effectively can transform your projects beyond imagination. To start, let's break down the foundation of ambient sound layering. Choosing your core sound palette. This isn't just about selecting random sounds and hoping they mesh well. It's about curating a collection of sounds that complement each other and work synergistically. Consider the mood or theme you want to convey. Are you aiming for a serene, oceanic vibe or the bustling atmosphere of a city at dawn? Once you've defined your theme, begin by experimenting with a mix of natural and synthetic sounds that encapsulate that idea. Field recordings such as the gentle rustling of leaves or distant thunderstorms can add an authentic touch. Pair these with pads and drones, crafted from synthesizers, to provide a rich harmonic bed. Remember, it's not just the choice of sounds, but also how they interact with one another that creates depth and interest. Next, let's explore how to incorporate dynamics and movement into your ambient layers. A static soundscape might sound monotonous, so introducing subtle variations in motion keeps the listener engaged. This can be achieved through automation and modulation. Try automating parameters like volume and panning to create a sense of movement within your sounds. A gentle crescendo here, a slight fade there, can mimic the natural ebb and flow of the real world, transporting the listener further into the scene you're creating. Use modulation effects like chorus or phaser sparingly to add texture and evolve your sounds over time. And don't forget the power of reverb and delay to extend your sound's tails and reinforce the expansive, otherworldly atmosphere. Finally, let's talk about the art of mixing ambient layers. Balancing your sound elements ensures each part contributes to the overall picture without overpowering the others. Start by carving out space in your mix using EQ, low-cut frequencies in your brighter sounds to prevent them from clashing with deeper, bass-heavy elements. Mid-range frequencies often contain the most clutter, so be thoughtful in how these frequencies interact across your different layers. A stereo widener can help spread some elements across the stereo field, creating an immersive experience for the listener. Additionally, pay attention to the layering order. Placing a delicate sound too far back may diminish its impact, while pushing a subtle drone too far forward might mask more intricate detail. As you experiment with ambient sound layering, let creativity guide you. Dive into this sonic exploration with an open mind and ear, and you'll find that the possibilities are as infinite as the universe itself. So why not start right now? Grab a few sounds and start layering. See where the journey takes you, and what new worlds you can create. What stories will your sounds tell when combined? Let us know in the comments, and be sure to share your sonic adventures with us. Happy producing!